Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Liam. Happy birthday to you. What do you say, Liam? You got a wish?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna blow him out? Can you blow him?
Really hard, like that. I did it.
That's all you got?
I did.
You did it too. He tried.
What
do you think, Liam?
Can we get these off?
Liam, you got a birthday wish? Okay.
These off. Take these off.
Liam, how old are you?
Take it.
Do you say 3?
3.
Alright. One more time. Get up. One more time. Get your elbows out of there. How old are you, Liam? 3.
No. No.
Evelyn, you're not. Okay. Liam, can you say 3?
3.
Very good. Big smile. Cheese. No? Okay.
Oh.
What is it, Liam?
Oh. Let's see the next one.
Cool. Wow.
Can I get that off, please?
Shoot! Shoot! Are you gonna shoot? You gonna play hockey?
Yeah.
Shoot!
Shoot!
Go Sue!
Go Sue!
What are you wearing, Liam? What's your jacket say?
Yeah.
Who's on your jacket? What is that?
A jacket.
Yeah. Who's playing?
Clint.
The Wild? You like the Wild? You like Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Do you like Spider-Man? Spider-Man?
Wild.
Wild. Yeah. How old are you?
Good.
Yeah, that's right.